Welcome to a captivating exploration into the language of herbalism. In this video, we'll unravel the definitions of common herbal terms, specifically medicinal herb actions, or what effect they can have on our bodies and minds. As we navigate this herbal lexicon, we aim to demystify these terms, empowering you with a deeper understanding of the intricate language connecting us to the healing power of plants. This will allow you to understand what actions or abilities medicinal plants have. These terms are the foundation of every herbalist's education. You will hear these terms used often by certified herbalists. If you are interested in truly learning herbalism, I highly recommend you grab a notebook and pen and pause the video to write down each term, its definition, and examples. Get ready to broaden your herbal vocabulary, deepen your connection to medicinal plants, and empower yourself on the path to natural wellness. It's important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. We recommend consulting with the qualified healthcare professional before trying anything new. Adaptogen. Adaptogens are herbs that help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance by supporting the adrenal system. Examples include ashwagandha, rhodiola, and holy basil. Alterative herbs gradually restore health by altering the body's metabolism and improving elimination of waste. Examples include burdock, red clover, and cleavers. Anodyne herbs have pain-relieving properties, providing relief from discomfort. Examples include willow bark, skullcap, and Jamaican dogwood. Antibacterial herbs inhibit the growth and reproduction of bacteria. Examples include garlic, echinacea, and thyme. Antifungal herbs inhibit the growth and spread of fungi. Examples include tea tree, oregano, and pau d'arco. Antimicrobial herbs combat a broad spectrum of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Examples include golden seal, oregano, and neem. Antioxidant herbs help neutralize free radicals in the body, protecting cells from damage. Examples include green tea, rosemary, and turmeric. Antiseptic herbs prevent or counteract infection by inhibiting the growth of microorganisms. Examples include calendula, lavender, and thyme. Antiviral herbs inhibit the growth and replication of viruses. Examples include elderberry, astragalus, and lemon balm. Astringent herbs constrict tissues and reduce secretions, often used topically for skin conditions or internally to tone the digestive system. Examples include witch hazel, yarrow, and oak bark. Bitter herbs stimulate the bitter receptors on the tongue, promoting digestive juices and aiding in digestion. Examples include gentian, dandelion, and chamomile, bitter as a secondary taste. Carminative herbs ease digestive discomfort by reducing gas and bloating. Examples include peppermint, fennel, and ginger. Catharral herbs help relieve symptoms associated with inflammation of mucous membranes, particularly in the respiratory tract. Examples include elderflower, mullein, and plantain. Cathartic herbs have a strong laxative effect, promoting bowel movements and relieving constipation. Examples include senna, cascara sagrada, and aloe vera. Cholagogue herbs stimulate the flow of bile from the gallbladder, aiding digestion and supporting liver function. Examples include turmeric, artichoke, and yellow dock. Demulcent herbs soothe and protect mucous membranes, providing relief to irritated tissues. Examples include marshmallow root, slippery elm, and aloe vera. Diaphoretic herbs induce sweating, promoting the elimination of toxins through the skin. Examples include yarrow, peppermint, and ginger. Diuretic herbs increase urine production, aiding in the elimination of excess fluids and waste from the body. Examples include dandelion, parsley, and nettle. Emetic herbs induce vomiting and are used in certain situations to eliminate ingested toxins. Examples include ipecac and lobelia. Note: the use of emetics should be approached with caution and under the guidance of a knowledgeable herbal practitioner. Emmenagogue herbs stimulate blood flow to the pelvic area and promote menstruation. Examples include donkey, ginger, and yarrow. Emollient Emollient herbs have soothing and moisturizing properties, helping to soften and soothe the skin. They are often used topically to alleviate dryness and irritation. Examples include calendula, comfrey, and marshmallow root. Expectorant herbs facilitate the removal of mucus from the respiratory system. Examples include mullein, licorice, and eucalyptus. Galactagogue herbs promote milk production in lactating mothers. Examples include fenugreek, blessed thistle, and fennel. Hepatic herbs support liver function and promote a healthy liver. Examples include dandelion, milk thistle, and turmeric. Hypertensive herbs help lower blood pressure. Examples include hawthorn, garlic, and olive leaf. Laxative herbs have a mild to moderate purgative effect, promoting bowel movements and relieving constipation. Examples include aloe vera, cascara sagrada, and psyllium. It's essential to use laxative herbs judiciously and under proper guidance to avoid overuse and potential side effects. Nervine herbs nourish and support the nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Examples include skullcap, lemon balm, and passion flower. Sedative herbs have calming and relaxing properties, helping to reduce nervous tension and promote a sense of tranquility. Examples include valerian, chamomile, and passion flower. Stimulant herbs increase physiological activity or energy. Examples include cayenne, ginseng, and coffee. Styptic herbs help to stop bleeding by promoting the contraction of blood vessels and clotting. Examples include yarrow, calendula, and plantain. These herbs can be applied topically to minor cuts and wounds. Tonic herbs promote overall well-being, strengthening and tonifying specific organs or systems. Examples include nettle, astragalus, and schisandra. Vasodilator herbs widen blood vessels, improving blood flow. Examples include ginkgo biloba, cayenne, and garlic. As we conclude this insightful journey into the language of herbalism, remember that these terms are the building blocks of understanding the incredible benefits that medicinal herbs offer. Whether you're exploring the soothing effects of sedative herbs, the cleansing properties of diuretics, or the healing touch of emollients, these terms will guide you through the intricate world of herbal remedies. As you delve into the realm of natural wellness, recognizing and comprehending these herbal actions will empower you to make informed choices and embark on a holistic journey to well-being. You will hear more on these terms as they weave into the tapestry of herbal knowledge, enriching your herbal experience and deepening your connection to the healing power of plants. Happy herbal explorations!